Heartbreak is more than just an emotion. It's a physical experience rooted in brain activity. When we experience a breakup, our brains react similarly to how they would with physical pain. This is because emotional pain activates some of the same brain regions as physical pain, leading to feelings of sadness, anger, and loneliness. The areas of the brain associated with reward and addiction are also affected by heartbreak. This explains why we might crave the presence of our ex-partner, similar to how we crave substances we're addicted to. Furthermore, heartbreak disrupts our hormonal balance, leading to fluctuations in mood and sleep patterns. These combined effects make heartbreak a truly debilitating experience, often impacting our daily lives and overall well-being. It's crucial to acknowledge the very real impact of heartbreak on our brains and bodies to seek appropriate coping mechanisms. Cannabis contains compounds called cannabinoids that interact with our body's endocannabinoid system. This system plays a crucial role in regulating various bodily functions, including mood, sleep, appetite, and pain perception. Two of the most well-known cannabinoids are THC and CBD. THC is known for its psychoactive effects, producing a high feeling. However, it also possesses analgesic and mood-boosting properties. CBD, on the other hand, is non-psychoactive and offers a calming effect, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. When we consume cannabis, THC and CBD interact with the endocannabinoid system, influencing the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. These neurotransmitters play vital roles in regulating our mood, sleep, and stress response. THC can induce euphoria and relaxation, potentially alleviating the emotional pain of heartbreak. Meanwhile, CBD's calming effects can help manage anxiety and insomnia often associated with grief. In essence, cannabinoids like THC and CBD offer a multi-pronged approach to addressing the emotional and physical symptoms of heartbreak. Heartbreak is a form of grief. It involves processing the loss of a relationship and the future we envisioned with that person. Cannabis, with its unique combination of THC and CBD, can be a valuable tool in navigating the grieving process. THC's ability to induce euphoria can provide temporary relief from the intense sadness and emotional pain of heartbreak. While it's not a long-term solution, it can offer moments of respite, allowing individuals to cope with overwhelming emotions more effectively. CBD's calming and anxiety-reducing properties shine in managing the emotional turbulence of heartbreak. It can help soothe racing thoughts, reduce feelings of panic and overwhelm, and promote better sleep, which is often disrupted during times of emotional distress. Furthermore, CBD's anti-inflammatory effects may also help address the physical symptoms of stress and heartbreak, such as headaches, muscle tension, and fatigue. By addressing both the emotional and physical aspects of heartbreak, cannabis can be a supportive aid in the healing process. Navigating heartbreak requires a holistic approach that addresses emotional, mental, and physical well-being. Cannabis can be integrated into this approach as a supportive tool, but choosing the right products and consumption methods is crucial. For managing anxiety and promoting relaxation, CBD-dominant products like oils, tinctures, or edibles are excellent options. They offer a controlled dose of CBD and have a long-lasting effect, providing sustained relief. If seeking temporary relief from emotional pain and a mood boost, products with balanced THC-CBD ratios, such as certain strains of cannabis flower or low-dose edibles, can be explored. These products offer the combined benefits of euphoria and relaxation, providing a break from the intensity of heartbreak. It's crucial to start with low doses, especially for those new to cannabis, and gradually increase as needed to find the optimal balance for individual needs. Combining cannabis consumption with other wellness practices like meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, and therapy can create a synergistic effect, promoting emotional healing and overall well-being.